Hello everybody! Google Sheets, how to log cells. Check it out. I can select, for example, this first row, right button, view more actions, protect range. This is that range. It's number 1 because it's this row. And I can set permissions and decide if I want to restrict or just show a warning when editing. And then if I restrict, I can select also who can do it. Only me, or I can add other people to collaborate with me and be able to edit these rows. Okay, if I leave it on only me, done, and that's it. Now only me can change this. I can check it out here. Going to data, protect sheets and range, and there I can see that this is protected, and I could also remove or delete this protection. Okay, see you next time.